What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how you can set up the lights from your mini RF1 V2 charge package into different groups. Now keep in mind we're only using 4 of the lights here from our package, but keep in mind you can follow these same exact steps if you want to use more of your lights. This will make all of the lights in that group sync perfectly no matter what mode or color you set the light to. First, let's backtrack on a few different things before we move on to this section. Now there are 4 different color groups you can set your light to, so those are red, green, yellow, or blue. You can also single press the power button like this to change the color group your light is set to no matter which mode it's on. Now if we take a look at the remote here, you'll see we have a button here that says RF group. This allows you to set the remote to the same RF group as the light you're wanting to control. So for example, if the RF group is set to red on my light, I'm going to want to set it to the same group on my remote here. And then from there, I'm able to use my remote with any of the lights set to this RF group. We can also set the remote to the white RF group so we can control any lights no matter which RF group they're set to. So all of these different RF groups allow us to set our lights or group of lights to different modes or colors, and we can control each of these groups with just one remote. So to demonstrate, I have 2 different groups of lights set up. So I'm going to want to make sure to set them to RF mode by double pressing the power button until the LED indicator is on the solid color. Next, we're going to want to set each groups of light to their own color group. So for today, I'm going to set the lights here to the red color group and the lights over here to the green color group. Again, we can single press the power button to switch the color groups. So now I can take one remote and set it to the red RF group by pressing the RF group button until the light on the remote flashes red. So now from here, I can point it to the red group of lights and set it to any mode or color. And then with the same remote, I can set the RF group to green and change the green group of lights to any mode or color. And now because these lights are set to different groups, they're both doing different things. So now let's say we wanted to change all of our lights at once. I can set my remote to the white RF group, and now we can change all of our lights at once, no matter which color group they were set to before. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set the lights in your mini RF1 V2 charge pack into different groups. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.